Hi there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn search engine marketing from experts from their premium classes completely free without spending a single cent. So I'm actually talking about Skillshare, which you may know this is a paid platform where people usually pays a monthly or a yearly fee to get access to their premium classes. But as I am a premium member or a sponsored member of Skillshare, I have this option. As you can see, give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium and earn free months when they sign up. And I have got this option to attach my invitation link into the video description, so that whenever you are going to use that link to sign up, or let me show you what it will work for you. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And here is the link. I'm going to copy and going to incognito mode to show you what it will show you actually. So here, as you can see, my name Acharul invites you to try Skillshare Premium free for 2 months, and you are going to get full access to over 23,000 premium classes completely free. All right, so let me just get back here. And now how I'll get benefited from it, as you can see here, and earn free months when they sign up. So whenever you are getting 2 free months from Skillshare, which is completely free, I'm going to earn a free extra month here on Skillshare, so that I'll be able to save some of my money as well as a premium member. So that's a win-win situation for you and for me. So now let me show you where you will find the courses of search engine marketing. So I'm going to type out here search engine marketing and hitting enter, and just take a look. Results for search engine marketing, 299 courses, and if I just click on premium, 279 courses are premium. And if you want to get access to these courses, you need a premium membership. All right, so here you are getting the membership completely free for 2 months. All right, so let me just show you some of the course examples. Let's say just this one. So after signing up and signing in with your account, you'll have to make a search, and after that just click on the desired course which you want to take. And as I am signed in with a premium membership, so I am seeing these play buttons here. As you can see, play buttons here. All right, so if I choose any of these videos, these are going to be played. All right, so as you can see,
welcome to this lecture, which I title,
it's being played. So this is how you will also get access to these courses, and I believe you will find lots of valuable courses from Skillshare, which is completely free, and I believe 2 months is more than enough to learn any skill. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends as well, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.